Hello everyone. Welcome to Jewels Galore at Jewel Pattern Ideas YouTube channel. In this video we bring you the timeless elegance of mother-of-pearl jewelry. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the graceful charm these designs have to offer. Mother-of-pearl, known for its soft iridescence and timeless beauty, is the inner layer of seashells crafted into elegant jewelry. Its gentle shimmer reflects light with a calming glow, making it a symbol of purity, femininity, and tranquility, whether set in rings, earrings, pendants, or bracelets. Mother-of-pearl jewelry adds a touch of classic sophistication and grace to any outfit, perfect for both everyday elegance and special occasions. It beautifully blends natural charm with refined craftsmanship. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful designs.